I've worked with lots of organisations helping them transition so they can compete with new startups in this space, be they governments or commercial companies.
Every successful organisation obsesses about understanding people's needs, its customers' needs, its staff's needs, and starts every conversation with that. Go and look at Google's principles, or any organisation's principles in this era, and you'll see that facet there. That is not often seen in many other organisations. It's the biggest single differentiator culturally.
The challenge really is, if you take your existing institutions and digitise them, your existing processes, yes, you're going to get some savings. You're going to make your services more convenient for your customers or your citizens. But you're not going to be anywhere near as simple, efficient, effective, empathetic in the design of your services as a new competitor will be able to be if they start again trying to meet the same need.
But you have to be liberal in terms of what information you receive. Technically, I'm talking about here. If someone, computer programmer, someone on the network makes a mistake, and you go, oh, you made a mistake, but I can sort of understand what you mean by this, you go, okay, I'm going to make my best endeavours to comply with your request. Totally countercultural to the way that engineers are taught. But it turns out on networks, the value of getting more people on the network is so great that by having your network inherently technically tolerant and open, essentially open, is the way of maximising the value.
The organisations that existed before the internet, their first assumption is we should digitise what we already do. We should digitise our existing services, our existing organisations, our existing structure and architecture.
And I've spent most of the last 20 years trying to help organisations not just understand the technology, what it means, but how to understand they're going to have to change their culture radically if they're going to make the most of the opportunities.